Apple might be planning something that feels oddly familiar, yet wrapped in a fresh identity, the so-called iPhone 17 Air, which might actually be the long-awaited comeback of the iPhone mini. The speculation has been sparked by recent leaks suggesting that Apple could launch a thinner, lighter iPhone in 2025. While the Air name feels new and futuristic, it could cleverly disguise Apple's attempt to revive the compact iPhone lineup without literally calling it a mini, likely to avoid reminding people of its previous commercial flop. Apple has successfully used the Air branding before in products like the iPad Air and MacBook Air. So, applying this same approach to an iPhone would logically signal a smaller, more travel-friendly device tailored for users who hate bulky phones but still want flagship performance. If that's the case, the iPhone 17 Air could essentially be the spiritual successor to the iPhone 13 mini, only this time dressed up with modern aesthetics and better tech. After discontinuing the mini lineup due to poor sales despite a loyal fanbase, Apple may now be testing a new marketing angle. And honestly, the timing couldn't be better. In a world overloaded with oversized devices, a stylish, lightweight phone with powerful specs could strike the right chord. Reports suggest the device will feature a brighter OLED display, improved battery life compared to previous mini models, ultra-thin bezels, and titanium edges. Internally, it's expected to run on the powerful A18 Pro chip, positioning it not as a budget option, but as a fully premium compact iPhone with high-end capabilities in a smaller frame. This time, Apple might not be targeting the entry-level crowd at all. Instead, they could frame this device as a high-end compact, offering the same performance and style as the larger models, just with less pocket bulk. That's an important distinction because one of the biggest reasons the Mini failed was that people saw it as a watered-down version of the mainline iPhones. If the iPhone 17 Air pulls off the slim form factor without compromising battery life or power, it could redefine what a small phone can be. And there are plenty of users out there who are tired of hauling around 6.7-inch slabs just to check their emails or take photos. Interestingly, the 17 Air has practically been confirmed through a flood of leaks, and one of the standout details is its ultra-slim profile. According to multiple sources, the device is expected to measure just 5.4 millimeters in thickness, which would make it one of the thinnest bar phones Apple has ever produced. Leaker Majin Buu shared a side-by-side comparison on X, showing a dummy unit of the iPhone 17 Air stacked against the upcoming iPhone 16e, which is only 7.8 millimeters thick. Even in that comparison, the iPhone 17 Air appears noticeably slimmer. The dummy also reveals a minimalist back design with a single rear camera integrated into a bold camera bar. If the iPhone 17 Air becomes a reality, it's expected to launch alongside the rest of the 17 lineup in September 2025. As for pricing, don't expect it to be cheap just because it's small. If Apple brands it as a premium compact phone, you're likely looking at a starting price somewhere in the $799 to $899 range.